Hi guys, good morning. It's been a while since I have vlogged. Haven't been able to get a chance. My son is stirring up. This is exactly why I didn't want to talk in the room. So it's about 8 a.m. in the morning. I've been up since about almost 40 minutes, getting ready to step out of the door. Quickly, my makeup breakdown. I'm wearing this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Catherine. It's described as a nice watermelon-y pink, and I think it stands true to the color description. And I'm wearing a little bit of eyeshadow today. I used the Bella Bronze eyeshadow from Milani. This is in the shade 24 Bella Bronze Metallic. I use my Too Faced Shadow Insurance. It is a long wearing primer. I don't have any foundation. I'm just skipping it. I don't have the time and the mood to wear a full face makeup. That's about it. I just packed my lunch dabba. I'm going to head. My baby's sleeping. He's in that rubble somewhere. He usually sleeps in the crib throughout the night, and I think around morning 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. I bring him out of the crib onto our bed just because it's too cold. I don't want to put the heater too much, plus I don't want him to get cold and wake up and I lose my sleep. I'm just wearing my boots which zoomed in my face. Sorry. Alright, so we are going to get ready, get out of the door and start the day. I'll see you in the evening. Bye bye. Alright guys, so just back from work. I just changed into a top because I'm stepping out to run some errands. Work wise, it's a pretty busy day. I'm so glad companies here in America for the most part have like mother's room and lactation rooms where you can use throughout the day. That's really great. My son is crying. I think he realized I just spoke and said hi Rishan, and then he realized that Amma is home, and he started crying, so I'll just go and check on him. For the most part, God bless for having parents. Yummy food is ready by the time you come home, so yeah. Hopefully I will get to take you around in city. I'll try to take my camera around in the city and see if I can film. I'm not sure if I can film at my workplace. I don't want to do that obviously. And for the entire day my eyeshadow was pretty intact. I just had to touch up my lipstick a couple of times, I think maybe once, so yeah. Good morning. Today is, I think, a Wednesday, so mid of the week, almost waiting for Friday. I'm just getting ready to step out of the door. That's my baby right there. He's moving. So I can't believe, like I mentioned, he turned 3 months, and I finally got the time to buy some sweets. My mom made her famous homemade cake, so I'm taking all of those to work to my office colleagues, and I feel really good because I am wearing non-maternity jeans and non-maternity top in like forever, and it feels great. I still have a lot of weight to lose. I haven't been able to think in that process yet, but I'm going to make small changes. I eat a lot of chocolates. Sweets are like my major weakness, but yeah, I have to start controlling them. And I picked these earrings last night from Target. Really loved how unique they are. Very cute, but I hardly got time to browse through the clearance section. I believe Target is having a lot of makeup on clearance. I saw it on Glam Confidence post. So yeah, and I'm back to my Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha Catsuit liquid lipsticks. I believe Wet n Wild is now available on Nykaa website, which is really popular in India. So yay, good, you guys get to try some Wet n Wild products because they are really fabulous for the prices. And yeah, my makeup is pretty simple. I haven't been able to use my dermabrasion. No, what is this? what was this? Yeah, the pore dermabrasion. I haven't been able to use it actively, but I'm back with my Clarins night cream. I showed this in a haul in one of the vlogs if you have seen it. One of the best creams out there. I'm so sorry, I'm just moving all over the place, but yeah, getting ready to step out of the door, and I will probably either Snapchat a little bit here and there on my phone in the city, so stay tuned. Bye. Alright guys, literally just back from work. I shifted to my change of outfit. I usually try to get into a schedule. My son, he currently sleeps around like 6:37 in the evening, so it gives me just about enough, an hour and a half to spend time with him, to play with him, to feed him and to put him to sleep. So currently that's how the schedule is going on, and I actually started shopping for my parents. Oh my god, I look like a ghost. I actually started shopping for my parents because they will leave soon, maybe like 5-6 weeks. They will leave to India, so we are going to miss them, and we're going to miss ready-made delicious home-cooked food, chai when we come back from work and stuff. And I actually wanted to film a couple of videos. I have no idea when I'm going to do that, so I just thought I'll vlog again for these couple of days and maybe share with you the outfits that I'm putting back to work again. Nothing special, it's just back to non-maternity wear, so it feels great. And back from a busy work day. It's Thursday today and tomorrow is Friday, almost end of the week. Really excited. Hey, my hubby's home. Hi, hubby.
Hi.
Hi.
Hey,
I'm just vlogging. That is Rishan. Hi, Rishan. Rishan. Hi, Kanna. Oli Kannali. What's for dinner? What's for dinner? I've hardly cooked in the last year and a half. What? In Atlanta? Cook jale kada neenu. Nee cook chesanu.
Nuva 3 years.
Hey. Pappu charu, dondakai kura.
2 years aitundi.
Are undra.
Oh, green chutney enti?
Enti green chutney enti? Good morning. So we are actually out, mommy and me. We are out at New Park Mall, Burlington Coat Factory. We are going to pick up some outfits for my niece. My parents are going to India pretty soon, so that's the shopping behind. And I actually got new glasses made. Let me check if I have everything. I got new glasses made. It's been a while, almost like 6 years since I'm using my older glasses. That's how the glasses look like. And I'm wearing Anastasia liquid lipstick. Good morning, my YouTube family. So today is another weekday. I'm actually getting ready to step out. My son is crying in the other room. Of course, my parents are there right now. So I'm packing lunch, and I just had my breakfast. That's him right there. I just had my breakfast, getting ready to step out of the house, and I'm just making sure I have everything. Quick tip for working people. It's good to have a travel size mouthwash and a toothpaste in your work bag, because trust me, after lunch and after a couple of meals in the office, you will stink. You will have some oral odor if you don't have good oral hygiene. And I believe eating chewing gums is not really that great because you intake a lot of sugars without your knowledge. So that's one quick suggestion I wanted to put out there. So khane mein kya hai? Like I mentioned, I just had idli chala deadly ga undi. Just ate idli. Some more batches are there left, and I just have my cup of milk for the day. So I
applied lipstick, and I used the Ofra long lasting liquid lipstick in Americano. It claims to be long lasting, but trust me, it doesn't stay that long. And I lined my lips, if you can see, with this really nice pretty color. This came in my BoxyCharm. It's from the brand called Jante Blue, and it's in the shade 943 brown sugar. So I'm preferring lately really nice nude natural lips because it looks work appropriate, looks very well put together and stuff. So I usually have the lip combo that I have applied in the morning in my bag. And I also, if you follow me on my Instagram, username is the same as my YouTube channel. I got sent 2 products from this brand called Elimis from Influencer. I am telling you, this is like really good. I'm going to go ahead and check out the price and leave it in the info bar or on the screen. This is the Elimis Superfood Day Cream. It's really rich and moisturizing, and they also sent a very big tube of their face wash. I'm telling you, it's perfect for dry skin and for the changing seasons right now. I don't have any makeup on my skin. Actually, you can see all the imperfections, but the skin is actually looking really bright and nice. Plus I also use the Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion cream couple of days in a week. Somebody commented, I don't remember who, but you mentioned that it's not good to use if you're breastfeeding, but I checked online. This doesn't have any products which are going to affect your body if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, so I don't think there is reason to worry. And yeah, that's about it. I'm going to head out of the door. Hopefully I will get to wrap up work and come fast because I feel so nasally and so congested, but I'm just going because I have a lot of work in the office to catch up on. So I will see you again. Bye.